What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at a trade I took on GBPNZD on May 11th around 5 a.m. So when you look at this, if we go back in the past, you can see that we are in a pretty steady downtrend, and then right here we have this huge impulse move, and at some point the market is going to have to take, a breather, consolidate, or retrace at some point. So when I noticed this, I simply was patient and waited for something to happen, and then you'll notice that we got this double bottom right here. If you don't know what a double bottom is, it's simply a reversal market pattern that looks like a W. Now, not always, but more often than not, when you see this formation, you'll see price come back and retest the neckline. Now, if you don't know what the neckline is, it's simply the middle point of this W, and if you just extend that into the future, what you'll see is more often than not, but not always, price will come back into this area before continuing the reversal move. So I simply just waited for price to retest the neckline. Let me just get rid of some of this stuff really fast. I just waited for price to retest the neckline, which is roughly in this area, and you can see how price did break above and then come back and retest this. So I took my trade at the close of this candle right here, because I also noticed that right around this neckline area that a lot of people were starting to enter the market because of all of these wicks right here. So I simply took my trade to where this formation started, netting me about 50 pips. This was where my take profit was. If you look back into the past, you'll see this is where the double bottom started. And if you don't really see that, that's okay. I'll go ahead and draw it again. Here's our double bottom. Here's our neckline. Here's our retest. I entered the trade right here, and then I took the trade back to where this formation started, which you can see over here. Now, the reason I trade these patterns this way is because not always will price continue going in that direction. And you can see how right here, after price pretty much completes where it started, we have another dip stopping out anyone that had a stop loss down here that was trying to buy this reversal pattern. And then after that is when we see the move finally go up. So just be careful if you're trading these patterns and you're looking for a long-term move. Not always will price go the way that you want for a long time. That's why I usually just stick to trading them to where they started. So if you guys have any questions over anything I talked about in this video, go ahead and just leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to get back with you and break it down in more depth. If you'd like to see where I take these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and check out my stories, and you'll be able to see when I take these trades live. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.